In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get all of your viewers who land on your channel to be prompted to become subscribers. So this is a way for you to automatically start to get YouTube subscribers fast on your channel. And I'm going to show you how to find your channel URL to be able to do this. When you go to my YouTube link on my website, you're automatically prompted to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you can watch any of my videos. So you're supposed to subscribe, and it says you may not subscribe to yourself because I'm obviously subscribed to myself, but it prompts that link. So I'm going to show you how to actually create that link. Once you're on your channel, you're just going to use this right here, which is your channel ID, and you're going to add to the end of it this right here, question mark sub underscore confirmation =1. And I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you can see it. But once you do that and you share this link, so we're going to copy and paste that link and use it, and you're going to see what happens. So you see it creates this subscription box. So anytime someone visits your YouTube channel, you can use this subscription link and they'll be prompted to subscribe. So if they've already subscribed, it probably won't let them subscribe, but it'll prompt them. And same thing here. So I'm going to show you on another channel. So this is my RVing channel that I've been setting up. So it's the same thing. You have this link right here, which is the channel ID. And I'm going to show you if we add that question mark sub underscore confirmation =1 and we share this link. So if we take that link and we use it, it would normally prompt us to subscribe, but we're subscribed. So if I unsubscribe and then we use the link, then it's going to prompt us to subscribe. So if they haven't subscribed to your channel, they're going to be prompted with this box. If they have subscribed to your channel, then they're not going to be prompted. So we're going to hit subscribe, and then it's going to show that we've subscribed. So that's all you have to do is just use this little link right here. And I'll share this in the description below. Now you know how to generate your YouTube subscription link and find your URL for your channel. If this makes sense, hit the like button below to let me know. And if not, let me know what questions you have by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to check out the description below where I'm including the little link that you're going to need to add on, as well as my YouTube channel checklist. You can pick that up. It's going to walk you through step by step this process, as well as all of the other steps you need to get people to subscribe when they land on your channel, because creating videos is just one part of being on YouTube. You actually want people to subscribe when they land on your content. I'm Brandi of blogginbrandi.com, where you can find tons of free resources to help you brand your business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get all of your YouTube subscribers to be not subscribers. To be subscribers. Hit the, oh shit.